Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. Happy Christmas! I'm Hannah and we're talking today about a bit of a YouTube rewind. We're looking at the top 5 videos of 2018 from the Knit with Hannah channel. Yes, I'm here on Tuesday because it is Christmas and because it's Tuesday. So happy Christmas. What we're looking at today is who has watched what? And that is you. What have you have watched over the last 12 months with me here on Knit with Hannah? Yes, I'm Knit with Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. And I'm going to highlight 5 videos today. What 5 videos have you been watching over the last 12 months? And we now have, I think it's over 100 videos on my channel, which is amazing. I can't believe it. Thank you for sticking with me, and thank you. I now have well over 250 subscribers. You're so welcome to my family. Thank you so much for knitting with me, for nattering with me, and listening to my natter as well. So let's go through those videos and let's do a countdown, shall we? Here's my little list of statistics. I feel like I'm Chandler on Friends going through my annual net usage statistics. Number 5 is how to make a pom with chunky yarn. That has had 862 views in the last year. I'm really thrilled with that. That was something that I did last year. It was last December I released it. I was making a hat and putting a pom on the top, so I thought, why not make a video? And it's been really helpful to you. I'm so thrilled, especially since September when everyone started knitting winter hats again. The pom needs to go on the top and you need to know how to make one. So I'm really thrilled that that's done so well. And the next one, what is DK yarn? Something happened in April, May this year, and a lot of my videos from that time have gone on here and are buzzing. So what is DK yarn is one of them. That's had over 1,000 views since then. And yeah, if you want more of those, because there's what is DK yarn, what is chunky yarn, and what is 4-ply yarn. If you'd like to see more of them on the YouTube channel in the yarn playlist, then let me know, because I can talk about different types of yarn and not just the weights, but all sorts of yarns. So let me know if you'd like to know more about yarns. And the next one is my very first videos that I released in May last year. And this has done really well in the last 12 months. 3,500 views, over 3,500 views in 2018. And that is the purl stitch and why it's the wrong side of knitting. What I was hoping to do with that video was just show you the difference and help you understand what it does, why it works the way it does, and how you can tell the difference when you're looking at the knitting. Do you know whether you've got a knit row appearing or a purl row? It's a fundamental part of knitting, but it can be a bit confusing. So I hope that video shows you that. Now, number 2 on the countdown is, why does my knitting curl at the edges? Now, these last 2, the purl stitch and the knitting curling at the edges, they've switched places in the last month. This curling at the edges, it seems to have got your goat, and you need to understand it more. It's just buzzing. Something over there is happening. You're loving it and you're watching it, and I hope it's really helpful to you. That's exactly what we need, isn't it? We need to understand our knitting better, work out when something's going wrong and when it isn't. That's another point in this video, is yes, it's curling at the edges, but actually, depending on what you're knitting, it may not actually be a problem. So let's only panic when we need to panic. And we can knit with ease through a lot more projects than you might imagine. Now, number 1 for 2018 is one that I created again, along with the curling at the edges and along with DK yarn. It was something that I created in May this year, April, May this year, and I released it and it just went crazy. Everyone loved it. This has had over 7,000 views in just those 7 months. So that is amazing, and welcome if you found me through how to knit a yarn forward, because it's something that we need to know in knitting, something that happens. We've got all this jargon being thrown at us, all these abbreviations. Sometimes it will explain what the jargon means in the pattern. You can look at the abbreviations column and it goes, move your yarn like this and then like this, and then you go, what? I don't understand it. So a video is really helpful, and I'm thrilled I can give you that. We've got a whole beginner's jargon playlist, a whole knitter's jargon playlist, to just get you going through all of those abbreviations and just help to understand it a bit better. I've got more jargon videos coming up in the new year, so keep watching. I've got a few beginners videos just to get you going if you're starting up your hobby or you're revisiting knitting in the new year, maybe with a New Year's resolution. And then we've got jargon videos being thrown right at you. I'm really looking forward to those, so I hope you'll stick with me for them. Thank you for sticking with me through 2018. Thank you for joining me in 2018 if you're new here. It's been great to have you join the family. Thank you so much for your support. Over 250 subscribers now. I'm thrilled about that. It means that I'm able to help more knitters, and that's why I started this. Bring in any of your friends who want to know more about knitting too, because I'm going to have more videos available all the way through 2019 every Tuesday morning, like I release them now. So, and yes, I will be here next Tuesday, even though it's New Year's Day. It just helps, doesn't it? Sometimes if there's a routine and you understand it, it's going to be here for you. New Year's Day, you can watch a burst in a few beginner knitters videos, and we'll be talking about knitting styles. How do you knit? Do you hold the needles in which way, and which way is best or worst, or what's going to be comfortable for you, that kind of thing. So I'll see you for that next Tuesday. Bye for now. Happy Christmas. Support as you stretch those fingers back. And you just make sure your fabric is flat. If it's not flat, I kept it all these years because it felt so precious.